It is a chilly morning this morning. Fall is actually finally going to come. We've got quite a few things on the go. Trying to get the membrane on the Hobbit hut. Portable sawmill, which our friends there from CC Ranch had on the property and they're loaning to us. So what we're going to be doing is just flattening out a section of our property. But here's the mill, it's quite large. And we have some timbers we saved from last year. There's the bandsaw blades for it that we want to mill. It's the one and only Misha and Joji girl. Hey babe.
Hi.
Feeling better?
A little bit.
A little bit. Hey Joji. So beside our chicken coop, we've already started on it here. Hey Joji. We had our log pile here from the logging truck load, but it's a bit of a mound. Jojo, come on, stop chewing my foot. She's full of it this morning. There's a couple trees that I fell in here, just pushed over with the mini excavator. But we're gonna get rid of this little bit of a mound in here, as well as level out a bit over where the trailers are. I'm gonna kind of make more of a flat area so we can, wow! Make more of a flat area in here because there's quite a bit of a mound, a little bit hard to see. I'm gonna level it out as best I can with the mini. Finish cleaning up the trees and the brush, and then we can get the mill over here in a nice flat area for it to be set up. Here's some of the big timbers that we're gonna want to mill up and hopefully be able to use them for our rammed earth geothermal greenhouse.
Yeah.
Why does everything we do have to have such long names?
The rammed earth geothermal all year round greenhouse.
Yeah.
Soon to have more names on top of that, perhaps.
Yeah. So, gonna get cracking on this bit, let it warm up and let the moisture get off of the roof of the Hobbit hut so the peel and stick works. And move a few other things around. You ready? I did most of the cleanup already. You were supposed to come help.
What about all that stuff?
Yeah, we can do that. They're pretty big though, but that's okay. Let's get at her. Okay, what are you sitting in?
Mini excavator.
Okay, so
First time.
yeah, what does what?
This is the track mover.
Yeah,
That turns it on and off.
key.
This tells you how much gas you have.
That's a gauge. Yeah, it tells you a whole bunch of things.
This probably lifts up the bucket.
No,
Oh, the horn.
you found the horn. Yeah. You want to start it and try it out? Just go slow with everything. I forgot an important one. That lever there. Yeah, that does the blade. Down here. Okay. All the way. You guys can see it move, right? Yeah. Dig. see all the dirt I made? I need to just get rid of that so that I can spread this out and compact it, have a good solid base. It will most likely set the mill up facing this way, along with, and then load. I want to build this all up. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to use this way.
I predict that car is gonna have flowers in it one day.
Flowers.
It's gonna be another garden. Clyde!
Okay, Dave, you gotta cut it back into here. Yeah, I would this end first.
Oh,
No.
we didn't need that anyway.
No. That was like perfect.
Cut some wood.
What?
It's a timber pro.
Yes, it is.
Not sponsored.
No.
Look at these big saws.
Blades.
Yeah.
Can you pick one up? What we're doing is clearing up a spot to set this up,
Oh, Bob's gonna come over?
hopefully. It's got no blade on it, but the blade goes in and around here. Oh, janky. There we go. Around these pulleys, and you got to tighten it up, and it'll come underneath, kind of in this area.
Yeah.
And you can adjust the height of this. And this slides along. It's all hydraulic too, which is super sweet.
I don't know what even how to measure
No,
them
this one
properly.
isn't too bad. It's fairly sharp.
I think they're all
He
new.
must have had them
They just have-
outside.
Yeah.
What the heck would they do that for? That one feels good. Actually, they're all good.
This is a tighter tooth, hey? Oh no, there's two there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
But there's also
Yeah.
like I think you can play with the adjustment here too.
Well, that would be to whether it runs in and out on you. Yeah,
Oh yeah, if you've got like a sway
Yeah.
to it, yeah.
yeah. Not sure which way this cuts now. Oh, you load the log here,
Yeah.
goes in there. You're cutting from there, so yeah, it would go on with the teeth facing.
You almost want to come this way with it, you think,
Hey?
eh? You'd almost want to come this way. This seems awkward too, because if you have to run it, is there more hydraulics?
Oh, you mean with the tires on there?
Nah, you would run it from there.
Yeah, right
Okay.
from that hydraulic thing, yeah. And the only time it would show the other way is if they invert the blade to sharpen it. Because it would invert the blade, you know.
Yeah. You're on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Don't put your fingers in there.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
You like our blue roof? This is a peel and stick, and this is what's going to give us watertight. And go over here. Yeah, this will peel off, and this is sticky. And then we'll have a bunch of laps, so we'll have a Smurf roof until we have the grass on it. But with any luck, we can actually get all this done in the next 4 days. Before it snows. This I can get on,
Okay.
but I want to get the grass on too.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to rent a grass cutter, sod cutter, and go back in the crown and get some sod and put it on. But this is most important to keep the wood dry. And then we're not gonna have to worry about snow. But debarking some of this is a bit slow too. So we'll get this on, and that's next step, and then grass. Oh, I'm gonna squish Clyde with the roll here.
What is this stuff called?
It's a peel and stick ice and water shield, but it's a synthetic roof membrane. This gives you extra layer of protection on a traditional roof, but it's fibrous, good for heat. I've never actually used this one, so see how it goes on.
Summer's hot and winter's cold. Time will fly, that's how it goes. Oh, it's magic in the air. You're coming home, I'm waiting there.